How to find PIN number on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can find PIN number on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you could open up settings in your device, and once you're under settings, scroll down and head over to security. Under security, you have an option under device security that says screen lock. If you tap on that screen lock option, it will ask you to enter your device PIN. That means you cannot view your PIN directly on your Android device for some security reasons. If you have forgotten it, you will need to reset it or unlock your phone in some another way. So if you know your password or if you know your PIN and if you want to change that, then tap on screen lock, provide your device PIN, and now you could choose a new screen lock option. Tap and PIN, that will again ask you to enter your current screen lock, and once you're verified, you'll be prompted to change your PIN on your Android device. So that was for changing your PIN on Android if you already know it. But in case if you do not know or if you're logged out, then the other alternative is to go through Google Find My Device. If you're logged out, head over to Google, and in the Google you could search for Find My Device. Tap on your first option, tap on Sign In, and make sure that you're signed in with your same device or same Google account, and then you could select your device once it loads up on this interface. Under that, you could choose secure device to set a new screen lock password, but this method will only work if Find My Device is enabled and you are connected to internet. So that was alternative to change your PIN. If nothing works out, the only option that you are left is to factory reset your device. But for that, first of all, make sure that you back up all of your input and data. Then you could head over to, or you could proceed for the factory reset. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.